So today, me and my friend Catvin are gonna be playing Cart Ride Delivery Service, and we're on the.
I need Robux.
Yeah, no spending Robux.
Boba.
What did you say?
You both.
No way my man just said be Bobux.
I need Boba.
Now he said he needs Bobux. And I'll be right back. I'ma be right back.
I need to go buy Boba. Yeah, he's gonna be right back to buy Boba. Slow down. What am I doing? This is so. It's getting so fizzled. I'm fizzled. This is so fizzling.
Now I am back. Huh?
This is so fizzling.
That's so fizzling.
So fizzling.
All right. So as you can see, I am spectating, and while I'm spectating on Catvin, I will be telling you to smash that like button, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, well, a huge thumbs up, and comment and share with your friends. And we're gonna have a fun time, right, Catvin? Catvin? Yeah, I think he's gonna be gone for a little bit. Dang it! Doing it? Okay, I'm gonna need to smack this thing in. There you go. Are you back? Hello? Hello? Catvin? Okay, so he was gone for a little bit.
I was not going to let them back.
And we're gonna have a fun time, right?
I guess.
Alright, wish him luck.
Hold on.
And I will be back for a part 3. Yeah.
Guys. I really need to do this, but in order to pass this, I just need to waste some Robux.
How much Robux do you have?
gonna waste some robot. There we go.
Okay, guys. So,
I'll be back in 3, 2, 1.
yeah, we're doing a collab. Can I do? Well, never mind. Hop in my cart when you're ready. Hop in my cart, okay? So hop in. Why can't you just hop in my cart? Disrespectful. I offered you a cart. Oh, I love. Can you hop in my cart? I'm at the start.
I'm not at the start.
Okay, never mind. Full speed. No, you're gonna fall.
Is there something where you just go full speed?
No, you have to slow down.
Let's go full speed now.
No, you can't go full. You're not supposed. Okay. Die if you want to. Seems like you really want to kill yourself. No, don't bump into me. No, don't bump in. Are you gonna bump into me? Were you trying to bump into me though?
No.
And I fell off. This is actually my most favorite part. So now, this is my most favorite part. Hey, can you please hop on my cart, please?
Can I try something?
Okay, this is the last time. I'm gonna beat you. Oh, you're right. No! I'm gonna check on him real quick. Now, can you hop on my cart?
I swear, if you kill me, I'm not gonna do this again.
I'm not gonna kill you, I promise. I'm just kidding. What? How did I get a dangling?
I don't know.
This is actually harder than I thought. What'd you say?
Sorry.
So you meant to say, dang it, I don't like to dare.
I got it again.
Why did you leave your thing in the middle of the track? What? Did I like crash into the portal or something?
What happened?
I don't know. It's don't you dare go past. Don't you dare turn your invincibility off and try to crash into me when I'm in front of you.
Where are you?
I'm at the start. You didn't see me, huh?
Why?
You didn't see me crash. I just fell off. I don't know.
See you at all.
That's because I'm behind you.
No, you're not.
Well, I'm far behind you, okay?
Where are you?
I'm above you. Well, now I'm not anymore. Well, you better go.
No. That's karma telling you where to go.
No, that wasn't karma. That was just me having bad breaks. I'm behind. Well, I'm not like right behind you, but I'm behind. Why are you asking where I am? What? It's like I just had it's like there was just some random bump.
That's great.
Yeah, and it was on a flat surface. Why is there just random stuff popping out of nowhere, making me fall? No. Okay. You see me now? You got this.
Like, I saw him out once, like, a random
Oh?
Why is it a random bump you had nowhere but you are?
That's how I died last time. There's speed bumps. There's speed bumps over here. You know what? I'm gonna redo this whole thing. Because I don't want the fun to end. I at least want to have some fun. Catvin,
What?
someone stole your cart. Oh, no one steals my friend's cart.
I hope with that random bump that came out of nowhere before.
Yeah.
Because that had me starting to go. Anyway, guys, I'm going to see him.
Alright guys, anyways, that is gonna be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, smash, and comment, share with your friends, and we'll be back with part 3, I think. I don't know, 3 or 4, I don't know. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye!